Hello friends and welcome! This time I will build a Soviet fighter interceptor, the MiG-3 For the build, I chose the 1:48 scale Trumpeter kit. The wings and fuselage includes rivets, which is always a nice detail. Wheel wells are also nicely molded, but I will do my own scratch build. I appreciate the nice detailing on the horizontal stabilizers, fuselage and the cockpit. In fact, the cockpit is nicely done, so I use only a bit of photo etch parts that I bought for this kit. The kit offers to build the model with folded flaps, which is always a good looking detail. For a stronger ornament, you can add the unguided RS-82 air-to-air missiles. The clear parts look very good and without scratches. The kit offers to build 3 machines in different camouflages, but I will go my own way. Looks like a very good kit. Let's build it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for not missing any new notifications. Cutting and cleaning the cockpit part was fast, because the cockpit doesn't include too much. Only the pilot seat was made out of few parts. I glued the parts together with Revo Contacta glue. Let's add some paint. First, I add a black pre-shading. The pre-shading will add a nice shady look. The whole cockpit is painted with a light blue color. I add the paint step by step, so the black pre-shading can pronounce in the background. Painting small details was always fun. For painting, I use Vallejo model color water-based acrylics. When I'm done painting small details, I add a metallic dry brush to highlight edges. Next, I seal the paint job with a glossy varnish coat and add a black planaline wash. Tamiya washes are excellent for the job. They are enamel based and dry very fast. After 10 minutes, the excessive wash can be removed with enamel thinner. Now I add a flat acrylic coat and prepare the cockpit for weathering. Oil paints are very good for creating weathering. I want to create a slightly dirty surface, so I tap only a few dots of oil paint on the surface. Bella aircraft are always dirty from inside: dust, dirt, soil, oxidized metal, and so on. For blending the oil paint, I used a drop of enamel thinner. Next, I create more scratches with a weathering pencil. Weathering pencils are quite good. I should use them more often, but they are water-based, and creating weathering is much difficult than with oil paints. You need a lot of time and patience. I tried once on my Star Wars AT-ST build. It was a good experience. I experimented a little bit and added few more dirty spots with a light rust pencil. Since the cockpit from the box was detailed enough, I decided to only use a few parts from the Edward Photo Edge accessories. I added details on the rudder pedals, seat belts for the pilot seat, a few levers and switches, and trim wheels. For gluing the PE parts, I used Loctite superglue. Let's glue all parts together. Only a few amount of glue was needed. The cockpit is done. In the next episode, I will focus on the wheel wells, landing gear, landing flaps, and other external details. Stay in touch. Bye.